Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to draw a 3D bracket in AutoCAD with simple surface and solid tools. First of all, create a rectangle with help of line tool, with 5 by 2 dimensions. Fillet 2 edges, with radius 1, using fillet command, this will make the one side shape of the bracket. Create a circle with 0.5 radius, this circle will extrude and subtract, after making of the main body of the model. Using mirror command, make another mirror copy of the drawn object. Now go to Coordinates tab, change the top view to right side view, and rotate the mirrored object to 90 degree. Into Home tab, select the Blend Curve command, and then blend the both sides lines with each others. Now go to Surface tab, click on Patch tool, select Curves in command bar, and then select all lines one by one and press Enter 2 times. Now your main bracket body is complete, but it's in surface, we need to make it in solid. For makes this surface solid, go in the Solid tab, and click Thicken command, and then select the surface, and then enter the thickness of the bracket. Now extrude the remaining circles, and extrude it, and then subtract it from the main body. That it, your 3D bracket is done. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.